Hello, my little artist. I'm Sasha. Bring your paper and marker and let's draw together. Wow, let's draw Mira together. I'm excited to see your drawings of me.
Grab your markers and let's get started. We're going to begin drawing at the top of the page. First, let's draw an oval shape. This will be the face. Right in the middle of that oval, draw 2 big circles. Those are the eyes. Between the eyes, draw a smaller curve. That's the nose. And just below it, draw a small smile. And between the circles, we need to draw a smaller circle. Just like this. Above the eyes, draw a smaller line with a curve on the end. And that's the eyebrows. Inside these smaller circles, add 2 tiny white circles. These are the shiny spots. From the top of the head, right in the middle, draw some hair that going down. We're gonna do it as a banana shape, like a small bananas. Now, draw a line in the middle of the head and make 2 little hills. Awesome job! Add the ears. Now, let's draw a hair tie. Then, draw a big slide going down. That's the ponytail. Do the same thing on the other side too. Great! Now, let's draw the neck. It looks like 2 little smiles facing each other. We need to do a half circle in here to connect the 2 sides of the neck. Do a line that going down. We need to do a line that going down to the middle and another one on the other side and one up again. Now another one down and we will close it with a half circle shape. Now the tummy area. We need to do the same as the neck and close it again as we did with the neck. Now like 2 smiles on each side but a big ones. We need to close them as we did with the t-shirt, and that's our skirt. Now we need to do the belt, and that's a tiny dot. Now we need to do a tiny dots going down. Let's move to the legs. Draw 2 lines coming down towards the middle and another line between them. From those, draw 2 straight lines going down and then make a little curve on each side, just like shoes. Now, draw a small square inside each shoes. Draw a long line down, then make a curve and bring it back up. A line down, a small triangle. Now, let's close the hair. Draw a small slide shape behind the back. We're going to do a wave design or a flower design on her t-shirt. You're gonna do 3 triangles, then 2, then 1. Now, behind her back, draw a line going up and on top of it, tiny pistachio shape. Draw another line with a circle on top. Bring a long line down. Add a little curve between the hair, then bring it up again, almost like a tail. You did such an incredible job. Time for coloring. Let's begin with orange to color the skirt. Next we'll use pink to color the hair. And remember, stay inside the black lines to make your drawing look neat and beautiful. Now, let's color the waves on her t-shirt with light blue. And dark blue for her t-shirt. And we're gonna take a skin color to color the skin. We'll add some shading on the skin and hair using darker tone. This will make your drawing look more 2D or 3-dimensional. Now, let's color inside the eyes. Now, let's color inside the eyes and add a few eyelashes. So cute! Color the shoes brown and the sword blue. Add a little red on the shoes and color the handle of the sword brown. My little artist, I'm sure your drawing look amazing. Remember, it doesn't matter if your drawing looks different from mine. What matters most is that you have fun and keep practicing and create your own unique art. That's what makes you a real artist. Now, I'll add a few red hair strands and a little blush on the cheek. Great job, everyone! We're all done. You did an amazing job.
Drawings look amazing. Don't forget to tag your drawings with Sasha on Instagram. Can't wait to see them. I'm sure you have enjoyed drawing today. Like and subscribe for our next lesson. Bye, see you next time.